Okay, progress for what's today's date? Nine what?
9/11.
9/11. It's the anniversary. Be somber. It's the anniversary. Okay, got the strap in for the propane tank.
Plasma ducts.
Got the bottom.
Sealed.
Come on, I got the bottom. I got the bottom propane mount, a little hooky deal that keeps it from jumping up, I guess. Got those in there. I got all the gas line tested. And I did have quite a few leaks though. So,
The antimatter stream was a little unstable.
Commentary by Victor.
I don't know how long
Star Trek commentary, but now hit the lights. Ooh, so beautiful.
No fire. Fire! Doesn't it look like a warp generator?
It's cool looking, man. Wow. I'm quite impressed. Okay, you can turn the lights back
It
on.
runs.
So the propane is on. Just gotta get these painted.
Hold on. Check for a leak real quick.
We're good.
Boom!
Alright. No leaks, right?
No leaks.
Alright, cool. Okay, so we have gassage.